2010 Inex Legend dirt car. Price, $7,000 OBO. Location, Robson, West Virginia. Built to hit the track immediately. This 2010 Inex Legend dirt car is a proven race-ready machine that has already seen competitive action this season. Power comes from a strong Hank Scott-built 1,200 cubic centimeters engine with only about 20 races on it, offering plenty of life and performance for the next owner. The car has been raced multiple times this year at Beckley and Princeton, demonstrating its reliability and readiness under real racing conditions. Included with the sale are the seat and lead ballast, saving time and money for anyone looking to get on the track quickly. Whether you're an experienced racer looking to add another competitive car to your lineup or a newcomer wanting an affordable entry into dirt track racing, this Legend car presents an excellent opportunity. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1967 Austin-Healey Sprite. Price, $1,800. Mileage, 66,500 miles. Location, Greenville, South Carolina. This 1967 Austin-Healey Sprite is an affordable British sports car project with a unique twist. Originally built as a convertible, it has been professionally converted into a full-time roadster, giving it a clean, classic open-air look that perfectly matches the Sprite's lightweight, fun-to-drive character. Under the hood, the original drivetrain has been replaced with a 1986 Jeep inline four-cylinder engine and transmission, providing nearly twice the horsepower of the factory setup, along with improved reliability and easier parts availability. The car reportedly ran well before being placed into storage 5 years ago and should be brought back to life with fresh fuel, new fluids, and routine recommissioning. Caterham Super 7. Price, $7,777. Location, Woodinville, Washington, USA. Built for competition rather than comfort, this 2003 Caterham Super 7 is a purpose-built race car with a proven history on some of America's most demanding circuits. Originally constructed by Caterham Cars for SCCA e-production competition, the car earned notable success with the Beechman McClure racing team, including a class victory and an impressive third-place overall finish in the legendary 2009 25 Hours of Thunderhill endurance race. Power now comes from a potent 2.0-liter Ford Zetec SVT inline-4 engine paired with a 6-speed gearbox, delivering the lightweight performance and razor-sharp handling that have made the 7 a motorsports icon. Extensive updates completed in 2022 included a new nose section, fenders, steering rack, A-frame, adjustable Bilstein coilovers, replacement racing seat, and Sable multi-point harness. 1923 Chevrolet Classic. Price, $7,500. Mileage, 15,000 miles. Location, Mogadore, Ohio. Step back into the earliest days of American motoring with this beautifully preserved 1923 Chevrolet Classic, a nearly century-old automobile that captures the spirit of the Roaring '20s. Finished in an eye-catching silver exterior and equipped with a traditional 3-speed manual transmission, this vintage Chevrolet delivers an authentic driving experience that modern vehicles simply cannot replicate. The car is currently not running due to a broken piston rod, but the good news is that no damage was reported to the cylinder, and a replacement piston rod along with new Babbitt bearings is included in the sale. 1967 Volkswagen Beetle Volksrod. Price: $17,000. This 1967 Volkswagen Beetle Volksrod is a head-turning custom creation that blends classic German engineering with traditional hot rod attitude, taking the iconic Beetle far beyond its original economy car roots. This Volksrod features the aggressive long-nose stance, exposed front suspension, and stripped-down styling that have made these custom builds favorites among hot rod enthusiasts. The stretched front end gives the car a dramatic profile, while the lightweight Beetle platform provides a fun and engaging driving experience. Combining vintage Volkswagen charm with old-school American hot rod culture, this unique machine stands out at car shows, cruise nights, and local events wherever it goes. Unlike a standard Beetle, a Volksrod is built to make a statement, and this 1967 model does exactly that with its unmistakable silhouette and custom personality. 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Price: $29,788. Mileage: 500 miles. Location: Slanesville, West Virginia. This genuine 1932 Ford 5-Window Coupe is the kind of hot rod that enthusiasts dream about owning. A real Henry Ford steel-bodied classic that combines timeless styling with serious performance hardware. Finished in a rich brown exterior over a black interior, this iconic coupe captures the unmistakable look of the legendary Deuce Coupe while benefiting from carefully selected upgrades designed for spirited driving. With just 500 miles on the current build, the car remains fresh and ready for its next owner. Performance features include Willwood disc brakes at all 4 corners for outstanding stopping power, a quick-change rear end that allows easy gearing adjustments, a smooth hydraulic clutch system, and a rugged 4-speed manual transmission that delivers an authentic hot rod driving experience. 1961 Austin-Healey Sprite. Price: $14,500. Mileage: 125,000 miles. Few classic British sports cars are as charming and recognizable as the 1961 Austin-Healey Sprite Bug-Eye. And this vibrant red example perfectly captures the playful personality that made these little roadsters famous. With its iconic bug-eyed headlights, bright red paint, and classic open-top design, this Sprite turns heads everywhere it goes. The car is powered by a desirable 1,275 cubic centimeters engine paired with an overdrive transmission, providing improved highway cruising and more enjoyable performance than earlier factory setups. Inside, the black interior is complemented by a beautiful wooden steering wheel, creating a vintage sports car atmosphere that feels straight out of the golden age of motoring. 1936 Pontiac Hot Rod. Price: $47,500. Mileage: 1,300 miles. Location: Haverhill, Massachusetts. This 1936 Pontiac Hot Rod is an extraordinary blend of pre-war American styling and modern supercar power. Beneath its stunning purple exterior lies a monstrous Dodge Viper V10 engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, creating a driving experience that is both exhilarating and unforgettable. With only 1,300 miles on the build, this custom Pontiac remains fresh and showcases the craftsmanship required to fit one of the most legendary performance engines ever produced into a classic 1930s body. The aggressive V10 delivers immense horsepower and torque, transforming this vintage Pontiac into a true street beast while retaining its timeless hot rod character. 1979 Triumph Spitfire 1500. Price: $4,500. Mileage: 99,999 miles. Location: Wilmington, North Carolina. This 1979 Triumph Spitfire 1500 is a classic British roadster with personality, patina, and plenty of recent mechanical attention, affectionately described by the seller as an emotional support vehicle. Finished in a worn russet brown with tan interior, it embraces its aged, weathered character rather than hiding it, giving it a true vintage garage-built survivor feel. Despite the appearance, the car is said to run and drive as it should, making it an enjoyable weekend cruiser or ongoing project, rather than a full restoration candidate. Under the hood, it retains the lively 1,500 cubic centimeters engine paired with a manual transmission, offering the light, engaging driving experience the Spitfire is known for. 1960 Circle Track Midget Racer. Price: $19,995. Location: Center Hall, Pennsylvania. This 1960 Circle Track Midget Racer is a raw, vintage piece of American motorsport history, built for dirt ovals and short-track competition back in the golden era of midget racing. Finished in a stripped-down, purpose-built race configuration, it reflects the lightweight mechanical simplicity that made these cars so exciting on the track. It has spent the last 15 years preserved as a display piece in a shop, helping it remain in presentable condition despite its age. Power appears to come from a GM inline 4 engine paired with a Hilborn-style mechanical fuel injection setup, a classic performance combination that was highly respected in period racing for its responsiveness and tuning capability. While detailed history is limited, The overall setup strongly suggests an authentic competition-built chassis rather than a modern replica. The car carries the visual and mechanical character of early American oval track racing. Minimal bodywork, exposed mechanicals, and a focus on speed over comfort.